If you are wondering if you can customize Always on Display on Nothing Phone 3, then the answer is partially yes, but mostly no. There is not much that we can do with AOD, and the only thing that we can do is change the clock style. So if you go to AOD, you have this clock, and this is the only thing that we can change on AOD. And in order to do so, you need to actually change the clock style of the lock screen, because the lock screen clock and AOD clock is the same. So if I go to customization and open and change the clock, so for example this one, then if I lock the phone, you will see that the same style is applied. So this is the only thing that we can do with AOD on Nothing Phone 3 in terms of visuals. We cannot add any image or nothing like that. We are stuck just with a date, time, and the battery information at the bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.